Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily check for units in your Autodesk workspace. So first of all, you should be really careful about starting a project. If it's in one moment, I'm going to show you. If it's in a web editor or web AutoCAD. So if you're going with a new drawing, we want to go AutoCAD Web Metric or Imperial. Same goes with the project in AutoCAD. So if you go with new, AutoCAD ISO and Arch, MFG, and many more. So you have to go with this one, I believe, and it will be set to metrics. I already changed it to inches, don't worry, for this sake. But how to change it, how we can change it or check for it in a side of our workspace. So as you can see, I'm already clicked in, and I want to write down U. Simple U inside of okay, I messed up. Inside of our AutoCAD, I write U, and the second option is units, and I'm gonna hit the enter. So length type, decimal, architectural, engineering, fractional, and scientific, decimal, and the decimal degrees. This is what we can see right here. We can also go with engineering and fractional, but those should be in inches. AutoCAD is predispositioned to have it in inches, and decimal is way easier for me to work with. And insertion scale, units to scale insertion content are millimeters. So you can also change it. For example, if you are megalomaniac and millimeters are, let's say, too precise, you can go with meters. You can go with even centimeters. If it's a bridge that you are currently, or a house that you are currently working on. But if you are engineering some kind of small machinery and small parts, millimeters are way to go. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.